Would you like to improve your communication skills effortlessly? I'm sure you would. And this is exactly the topic. So, how to go about it? Now, you must have asked this question a lot like, I want to get better at my communication skills. Why? I mean, do you want to be a professional like me? Do you want to be professional like Patrick Bet David? Do you know who that is? The person behind Valuetainment, the person behind PVD podcast. I mean, I highly get inspired from that person, not just the communication side of things, but just a leader in everything, like from family to everything. Now, there are so many things that we have to talk about when it comes to communicating effortlessly, but I'm going to keep this video very to the point. I don't want to take you here and there. A lot of people do that, and a lot of people are there on YouTube probably doing that. My mission is not that. My mission is to give you straight to the point relative examples so you understand and so you can connect with me in a much better way. So if you want to improve your communication skills effortlessly, I want you to start using a mirror to practice. I have done this previously, right? I don't do this anymore because I'm not in my starting phase. This is a very great skill to try for the starting phase. It's really absolutely wonderful, to be honest with you. When I started my journey like 9 years ago, I could write English, but I could not speak it very well because you know why. I mean, most of us are very good at writing. You probably are very good at writing as well. If you're not, don't worry. I'll probably get to that too as well in the near future. So let's get back to the topic. Using a mirror to practice, how that helps basically, and why is that the right strategy for learners initially? I'll tell you. So when you look in the mirror, let's say I'm looking in the mirror right now, there's so many things you can actually see. It's not just the talking still, like the ears are still there. So you're still listening anyway. But you get so conscious when you start looking yourself in the mirror. I'm going to imagine like there's a mirror. I'm seeing myself. Oh, look the eyes. Look at the hand gestures. Look at how the face moves. And you can see everything, every little detail. Like the eyebrows are going up. Eyebrows are going down. Oh, there's a little frown on the face. So when I look at myself now, I'm smiling. So when you actually start with this tonality, you move so much more than just talking. It's the body movements, the whole body movements. And when it actually comes to improving your communication skills, most people miss this. The whole aspect of body language, the whole aspect of public speaking. Public speaking is not to speak in a TEDx, or although that's like the most legendary, the most effective one, like in terms of public speaking. Not everybody learns public speaking to get there, right? I mean, and you don't have to. Basically, we're just trying to speak in front of a group, like 4 or 5 people, and that's it. We just want that ability that we are able to express our opinions, express our thought patterns, whatever we are thinking, and then they understand, like, I'm speaking to you, you are my audience right now. I want to make sure when I talk to you that you actually understand what I'm saying. It's not just the words. Always remember that. It's not just the words. Words are hardly 5 or 10%. The rest, everything is your body language, your tonality, the voice tonality, the energy you have in your words, the energy you flow through your body. All of that is really, really important. But how do you can't see that when you just talk to yourself. Let's say somebody asks you to do an impromptu. Like impromptu means you have to speak on a topic without preparation, right? Let's say you do that. You practice on a topic for 10 minutes, 20 minutes for 1 day, 2 days, a week, 2 weeks. But then by the end of 30 days, you have practiced, but you haven't seen yourself. You haven't actually seen how you look, how you appear. So you probably will deliver the session, but it won't be as engaging as you want. Why that is? Because you have never seen how you look. And a lot of people are missing on this. They feel like, why should I see myself? I know myself. No, you don't, my friend. You don't know yourself. I used to think I know myself, but trust me, who I have become by just standing in front of a mirror. And nowadays, if you don't want to do that, I'll give you an alternative as well to that. Just make a video of yourself. That's the best modern alternative. I didn't have that alternative like 9 years ago. I didn't have a smartphone. My whole family had one phone, and those times we didn't have the smart cameras yet. It was such a moment that you realize, you have to do with what you have to do. Trust me, if today I was starting again and I was in my initial phase, I would start with my smartphone. I would just start with a 10-minute practice, a 5-minute practice, a 30-second practice, but I do it every day. Next thing is consistency. You need to be consistent. You need to record a daily video of yourself, 30 seconds each. That's the minimum you can start with. 30 seconds, not 5 seconds, not 10 seconds. Make it at least 30 seconds and talk about something. Talk about the same thing on a daily basis. It could just be about you. It could just be about you making a video. That could be the entire topic in itself. You understand what I'm saying? Try to remain to that topic for the next 30 days and try to consistently increase the time. Like from 30 seconds in a week to the next week, 45 seconds. The week after that, 60 seconds. And you'll see the shift after a month when you see the difference between in the first video and the last video, you see a whole lot of difference in you, because you've been seeing yourself and you would try to make so many changes, and you see, oh, my hands were moving like that, I don't want my hands like that. Oh, my body was moving like that, I don't want my body like that. Oh, I'm not smiling too much, maybe I need to smile a little bit. And you would start to make those little changes, and then you would feel, oh my goodness, I have been missing on so much, I need to get this correct right away. Now that was it for today. I don't want to stretch the topic. This is for learners who are starting out. Just keep following me for more tips and tricks, and I will tell you how to get better at your communication skills. And if you like my style, this channel is all about defining your style and finding and discovering your true authentic style. I'm not asking you to copy me, I'm asking you to find your own style, and that's what this channel is about. Always remember that. Avijit Khanna from Psych Nation.